Alright everyone, welcome back. Looking at IDEX. So it's been a long time since I looked at IDEX, so I actually reset the chart here. So what is going on with IDEX? IDEX is having a nice little pump, as you can see here. It looks like it may have actually come alive. I mean, forever now it's just been kind of, it'll pump a little bit, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, have a nice pump, dump again. You know, it's just kind of been stair-stepping down and down and down. But it looks like you may have established some sort of a bottom down here. We tagged it back here in May of last year. Pretty much tagged it here. It's not, you know, these Fibonacci's are not spot on all the time. So you could move it like this and say this is your clear bottom. Or we could actually even move it down here like this and say that's your bottom. You know, you just got to kind of play around with it. But it looks like it established some sort of a bottom here. It had a nice bounce. So you can see here on the macro picture that you're getting stuck right at your 382 at 11. This is currently where you are right now. So a break over this, you can see the support that it had back here. A break over this is going to probably have some more green candles spawn in, and this thing's just going to start flying. So let's go ahead and measure this. Remember, we are on the 3-day chart, the macro scale. So your next stop is going to be 16 if you can have a close over 11.2. And you're looking at a potential 45% move. If you can get past 16, your 618 is next at 23 cents, and you're looking at over 100% move from there. And actually, if you get up here to the 618, you can see this is going to be your moon line. If you can get over 23, 24 cents on IDEX, to the moon she's going to go, probably back up to all-time highs and even higher. So just keep an eye on those couple of prices there. With that said, if we actually zoom in a little bit here, just want to point something out before we end this. If we actually take and we draw a fib on this most recent low here to the high, you can see the reason it's so bullish. It came down, had a perfect 618 retracement, and just kind of went up and blasted out of here. So let's go ahead and move that one there. So you can see the top on this one is 0.8. So let's move that out of the way there. And then if we go from this most recent pump, you can see that if we draw it to this top here, you can see your 382 retracement takes you up here to the top at this 0.8 level. So if you come back down and you hold 0.8 for a bounce, you're still extremely bullish on IDEX here. So you could potentially drop about 15% or so. And, oh no, I did that wrong. Went to the wrong level there. You could potentially drop about 24-25% and come down here like this and still be extremely bullish. So just watch this 0.8 level. If you hold that, then I would say you're going to blow past this 382 potentially and keep going higher. Of course, you could come down, bounce, get stuck at your 236, and then just start falling off the table. So you're still extremely bullish. I don't know what just happened. If you hold that 0.8 level. So let's get this out of the way really quick here. And ultimately, if you lose 0.8 and you come back down here to your 236 that you just recently got over at 0.71, that's going to be your must-hold line. If you come back down to that and you lose 0.7, so if you drop about 35-36% and you lose that support here, then you're going back down to the bottom here at about a almost 68-69% drop back down here to 3 cents on IDEX. But like I said, right now it looks extremely bullish. Just watch all these different prices we're talking about. You can see we do have a curl up on all the moving averages here on the 3-day chart. If we actually switch over to the daily chart, you can see they're all curled up also. And we look at the Heikin-Ashi here on the daily, printing green, no shadow, has a very strong trend to the upside at the moment. So it looks good. The RSI is curling down just a little bit from the oversold or overbought area rather. But that could just bounce here and just continue for the price to just have these massive green candles spawning in. So really all you can do is just watch all the prices we just discussed and just leave it at that really. As long as you hold support at 8 and then ultimately 7, you're still good to consolidate and bounce higher. You hold 8, you're extremely bullish. Break over 11, you're going to hit 16, potentially 23, and this 618 up here is your moon line, and then it'll just start flying. Pretty much going vertical at that point, I would say, if you break over that 618 up there. But yeah, we'll leave it at that. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.